Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I'm looking a little busted right now. You never seen me with no makeup on. But if you guys want to learn how to do an everyday makeup look, then continue watching. So first off, we are going to get these brows popping. You gotta start with them brows. We're gonna take the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And you guys, please ignore my septum piercing. I know it's crooked. So before you even start applying the pomade or whatever you're using for your brows, you want to brush your brow hairs upwards so it can create a more natural look. So when doing your brows, you want to take a very precise angled brush and just line the bottom of your natural brow. You want to have like a kind of sharp tail so that when you clean them up with the concealer, it looks nice and precise and sharp. Same thing goes for the top of the brow. You just want to line it and make it meet with the bottom line. And then after you line them, you're just going to simply fill them in. Don't worry if one is a little thicker than the other. Remember that brows are sisters, not twins. Besides, the concealer is going to fix that. So to clean up these brows, I'm going to take a nice angled brush and some LA Girl Pro Conceal. Okay, so this is the part that makes my anxiety flare up. When cleaning your brows with the concealer, you want to have a very steady hand and go along the line. It's just that simple, you guys. And you want to do the same exact thing with the top. So now that we got those brows all nice and concealed up, we're just going to take that brush that we use and kind of smear the concealer. After we get that concealer nice and smoothed out on our eye, we're just going to take our beauty blender and smooth it out so we can have a perfect surface. So right here, I would usually take a brush to blend out the concealer that's on top of my brow, but I couldn't find it, so finger it is. Next, we're going to take the Ruby Kisses Contour Powder palette, and I'm just going to use a shade that's closest to my skin tone, which is in the top right corner, and I'm just going to blend that all over my lid. So for this next part, you can use any brown eyeshadow or a neutral color to apply to the crease of your eye, just so they'll know that something is there. And by the way, as you can see, one of them shattered and I was not so happy about that. But yes, any brown or neutral color will work. So it's time to move on to our face, and when you do your foundation, you want to start off with a nice primer. I'm going to be using the Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline. It really smooths out those rough areas and I love it. But like I said, you can use any primer. So once we get that all smoothed out, it's time to move on to foundation. I'm going to be using the Loreal True Match powder in the shade Soft Sable. Now it's time to add some shape to our face. I'm going to be taking the Ruby Kisses concealer in the shade Medium Honey, and I'm just going to draw 3 lines right under my eye. When drawing these lines, it makes the concealer process easier, and it also looks more natural when you add less. So this part is optional. I'm just going to take a lighter shade concealer just to brighten up those under eyes. And next, all we're going to do is blend it all in. Make sure you blend, blend, blend. This is the most important step. So next we're going to take whatever brown that we use for our eyes to use for our contour. You want to take a big angled brush and just follow your jawline. The whole point of contouring is to kind of give your face a cheap facelift so you look nice and lifted. So next we're just going to take some powder to set those concealed areas. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and I believe the shade Toffee. If I'm wrong, I will link it down in the description below. But we're just going to set those concealed areas so they don't move. So like I said before, blending is key. I'm just going to take that foundation that I used just to go over those concealed areas and blend everything nicely. So this next part is also optional. I am a fan of blush, so I'm just going to take some Black Radiance blush in the shade Warm Berry. I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Next is my absolute favorite part. I think this is everybody's favorite part. We're going to spray our brush first before highlighting so we can really pick that pigment up. And I'm going to be using the Fenty Kilowatt highlight in the shade Hustler Baby. So next we're just going to take a dark colored pencil, not black, do not use black lip liner. We're just going to line our lips to give our lips a more full effect. Since we're doing an everyday natural look, you could just take some lip gloss or a neutral color gloss just to put on your lips. Or I mean, if you feel like going all out, you can do a bold red lip or a bold lip period. Right here I'm just taking some glitter gloss that I got from the KOKO collection. It's in the shade Damn Gina, and it's amazing and it smells like cupcakes. I love it. So now it's time to get them lashes popping, honey. We're just going to take some mascara and apply 1 or 2 coats on our lashes. Remember, this is an everyday natural look, so we want to look as natural as possible. Yes, this is a natural look, but we still want them eyes to pop. I'm just going to take a gold eyeshadow and place that on the inner corner of my eyes. So usually I would wear lashes with my everyday natural makeup look, but they was not trying to work with me today, so I snatched them off real fast. So we're just going to add some finishing touches, make sure everything is well blended. So we have reached the end of my makeup tutorial, you guys. I want to thank you for watching, and if you liked this, make sure you comment and subscribe. Oh, wait, we forgot setting spray, y'all. I'm using the MAC Fix Plus setting spray, and what this does is just melts everything together flawlessly. And now we're done. Thank you guys for watching so much, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.